Hello students, welcome to MCQ CBSE. Today we are going to start part 3 of our class 6 chapter 3 Landforms and Life. It contains 25 MCQs from 51 to 75. If you have not watched part 1 and 2, link is provided in description and also at the end of the video. Let's start. Question number 51. Which desert is known as cold desert? And the correct answer is B. Gobi Desert. Which country has the highest percentage of desert land? And the correct answer is C. Saudi Arabia. Which of the following plant can survive in desert conditions? Correct answer is C. Cactus. What is the main source of water in desert? Correct answer is D. Oasis. Which desert is the driest place on earth? Correct answer is C. Atacama Desert. Deserts are typically characterized by which of the following? Correct answer is B. Extreme heat and arid conditions. How do camel adapt to life in the desert? Correct answer is D. All of the above. Camel can adapt by storing food in their hump, by having long legs to walk easily on the sand, by having thick fur to protect from heat. All A, B, and C are the correct answer. Therefore, the correct option is D. What is the main economic activity in desert region? Correct answer is C. Mining and tourism. The Great Basin Desert is located in which country? And the correct answer is C. USA. What is the average annual rainfall in desert? Correct answer is A. Less than 25 centimeter. Which landform is known to influence the climate of nearby region? Correct answer is A. Mountain. How do mountains affect the rainfall pattern of an area? Correct answer is B, by blocking wind, causing orographic rainfall. Which region is known for its unique cultural practice due to mountainous terrain? Correct answer is B, Tibetan Plateau. What kind of settlement pattern is common in mountainous region? Correct answer is B, scattered villages. Which of these festival is commonly celebrated in mountainous region of India? Correct answer is D, Losar. What type of traditional houses are often found in desert region? Correct answer is A, tent. The Thar Desert is home to which nomadic tribe? And the correct answer is C, Banjaras. Which landform provide natural resources such as timber and medicinal plant? Correct answer is A, mountain. In desert region, people often wear what type of clothing? And the correct answer is B, light, loose-fitting cloth. Terrace farming is most commonly practiced in which landform? Correct answer is B, mountain. Which traditional practice is commonly found in plateau region? Correct answer is D, mining. Why do plains support a dense population? Correct answer is B, availability of water and fertile land. Which of the following region is known for pastoral nomadism? Correct answer is B, Sahara Desert. In which landform is cattle ranching a major economic activity? Correct answer is C, plain. And the last question of this part 3, what type of houses are typically found in mountainous area? And the correct answer is C, stone and wooden houses. Thank you for watching MCQ CBSE. Please like and subscribe our channel. to get regular update. Thank you.